Hi, I'm Lena from Kepler.io. Today I'll show you how to set up Airtable to Microsoft Excel integration. First of all, log in to use the software. In the top left corner, click the Add New Importer button. Name your importer. I'll go by the name Sandwich Orders. Now I need to fill out the data source parameters. From the drop-down menu, select Airtable. Click Continue. To pull data from Airtable, you need to provide a link to a shared Airtable view. To create it, open the Airtable view you want to export to Excel, click the Share View button, then select Create a Shareable Grid View link. Copy and paste the link into this field. Click Continue. If the view is password protected, then enter it here. Mine is not, so I skip this step and click Continue. Now it's time to set up the destination. From the drop-down menu, select Microsoft Excel as the system to import data to. As you can see here, you can also use Kepler.io to import Airtable data to Google Sheets and Google BigQuery. Now I'll connect my Excel destination account. To do this, click Connect and sign into the needed Microsoft OneDrive or SharePoint account. Click Continue. Now select a workbook to import data to. As the next step, specify the sheet to import data to. To do it, you can choose one of the existing sheets from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, by typing in a new name that doesn't exist yet, Kepler.io will create a new sheet and then import data to it. These are the default settings, which I'm not going to change, so I'll just skip these parameters by clicking Continue. Here, I will set up a schedule for an automatic data refresh. Switch the toggle on. I want my spreadsheet to update on an hourly basis from Monday to Thursday. So I'm making a small amendment to the suggested schedule and deselecting Friday. Both the time preferences and the time zone are correct, so I won't change them. As the last step, click Save and Run. To see the imported dataset, click View Results in the top right corner. Here's how my Airtable information looks in the workbook. Set up your Airtable to Excel integration in just 5 minutes. With no coding skills required, Kepler.io has got you covered. Thanks for watching! Check out our other tutorials in this playlist. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.